distinguished delegates, the delegation of the Philippines as sponsor is honored to present the idea of a large light council of a joint sanction and accountability mechanism, or JSAM. This mechanism is designed to strengthen coordination, maintain accountability, and ensure fairness in our collective response to aggression. First, JSAM will provide a platform for NATO members and partners to share information on sanctions, restrictions, and accountability measures. Too often, sanctions are applied separately, leaving gaps that aggressors can exploit. A shared platform will close these gaps and make our efforts more efficient. Moreover, it will facilitate the exchange of experiences and best practices. Sanctions are powerful, but if not managed carefully, they can harm ordinary civilians. By sharing lessons, we can keep sanctions targeted on aggressors while protecting those who are most vulnerable. Furthermore, JSAM will invite willing states to voluntarily align their measures. This mechanism is not binding, it respects sovereignty and independence, but it encourages cooperation for stronger collective impact. In this way, every state can contribute at a level it finds acceptable. In addition, it will ensure continued pressure on aggressors. Additional sanctions will remain in place and, if necessary, be strengthened until violation cease. This sends a united and clear message, which is the international community will not tolerate aggression, and accountability will remain until peace is restored. And last but not least, JSAM will promote transparency through regular reports available to all. Transparency not only builds trust, but also proves to the world that NATO applies sanctions with fairness, responsibility, and integrity. Distinguished delegates, the Enlarged Alliance Council believes that JSAM is a balanced mechanism as it respects sovereignty, protects civilians, and makes our collective message stronger. We call upon all member states to support this initiative